Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to telling you something about this Google Mini Home Assistant, that how you can connect this device to your mobile phone as a Bluetooth speaker. You are listening very right. You can do easily on your mobile phone, laptop, computer, tablet, whatever you want to. Wherever you want to connect, you can easily do so. First of all, I want to tell you that you can easily do these things after setting this device up. Yes, you are listening very right. Now how you can do and what you can do and how you have to process, so watch the video till the end. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I'm going to commanding this Google Mini Home. You can easily do this on any type of Google Assistant, and you can do on Alexa too. You will find the video in your channel. Now how you can do, okay Google, connect to Bluetooth.
Okay, looking for paired devices.
As you can see in front of you,
Bluetooth is connected to Redmi Note 8 Pro.
okay, it started like this. But if it's not connected, I want to tell you that how you can do so. I connected this device and I'm disconnecting first of all. Okay, what you can do, it's if already connected, then you can command like this. And if you want to switch on the Bluetooth, then what you have to do, okay Google, switch on Bluetooth.
This device is already connected to Redmi Note 8 Pro. You can ask me to disconnect it.
Okay Google, disconnect to Redmi Note 8 Pro.
I think you want to turn off Bluetooth. Is that right?
Yes.
Sure, Bluetooth is disconnected.
Now what we have to do, we have to just say command Google, okay Google, switch on Bluetooth.
Okay, looking for paired devices. Sorry, I can't connect to Bluetooth. Please try again later or connect via the Bluetooth settings page for your device.
As you can see, now we can easily connect to this device. We have just go to Bluetooth section over here on our mobile phone, and we have to switch it on, and after that we will find Google Mini Home speaker over here. When it starts searching, you can say easily, okay Google, switch on Bluetooth.
Okay, looking for paired devices.
As you can see in front
Sorry,
of it started
I can't
searching.
connect to Bluetooth. Please try again later or connect via the Bluetooth settings page for your device.
And now what we have to do, okay Google, connect to new Bluetooth mobile.
To connect a mobile device to your speaker, say pair Bluetooth.
Okay Google, pair Bluetooth.
माफ करें, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay Google, pair Bluetooth.
Got it. To connect, open Bluetooth settings and look for the device called dining room speaker.
Okay, as you can see, after that when we search in our Bluetooth, or as you can see in front of you, when we go to Bluetooth and long press there, settings will open and you will find in the available or search devices dining room speaker over here. In your scenario where you put your Google Mini Home, you will find the name accordingly. And in my scenario, I set up this device as this device is in dining room. Now what we have to do, we have to just tap on this dining room speaker section over here, and it started pairing. After a few seconds it may ask you about the permissions, or you have to just give permissions by just clicking on pair. Now it started pairing, and as you can see, speaker has give you the notification sound along with that. Now we can easily play music from our mobile phone to this Bluetooth speaker, and we can easily control the audio too. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.